Problems of interests and attitudes of students in special regions towards science subjects. The goal of this study is to determine the relationship between students' interests and attitudes as a result of differences in the pedagogical and professional competence of teachers in specific regions. The concepts examined are science concepts from grades 7 and 8. This study used a comparative causal method with the number of samples involving 109 students consisting of 3 school levels, namely the upper, middle, and lower group schools with 2 schools respectively. There were 6 teachers in special regions involved as participants, each of whom comes from the schools in the 3T least developed, frontier, and outermost regions. The collected data were examined using a non-parametric scale method and a single sample of the chi-square statistical test. According to the findings of the statistical tests, which had dk is equal to 2 and a is equal to 0.05, it was determined that the teachers had a high degree of pedagogical and professional proficiency. Teachers' pedagogical and professional competence contributed positively to students' interest and attitude towards scientific concepts. Furthermore, this study discovered that the contribution of teachers' pedagogical and professional competence to the students' interest and attitude fell into a high category in science concepts, and students had a strong interest in science concepts, 57% contained in the curriculum. In light of this, it can be said that a teacher's high level of pedagogical and professional competence positively affects the interest and attitude of pupils towards science topics. Introduction. West Kalimantan, Indonesia, is a large province with many remote and hard-to-reach areas, where schools often face a shortage of teachers. In some cases, one teacher has to teach several subjects, and schools are forced to use a combined or multi-grade teaching approach. This situation affects the quality of education, especially in science subjects. Research shows that students' interest in learning science in these special or remote areas is very low. In past studies, many students chose not to pursue science in higher grades. This lack of interest is often linked to how science is taught, less interactive, too much material, and not suited to students' needs. Since teacher competence plays a big role in shaping student interest and attitudes, this study aims to better understand how science is taught in remote schools in West Kalimantan and how it affects students' willingness to learn science. Conclusion. Psychosocial impairment was found to be significantly higher in DR patients. It causes a significant impact on the quality of life and general health status of patients. Therefore, psychosocial screening is necessary during earlier visits. Psychiatric counseling must be given to the affected patients. It is necessary to prevent and control psychosocial suffering along with the control of the disease. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.